making sure that all this is tight before I leave. And nobody messed with the kayak, so that's awesome. Well tight. So I want to leave a little bit earlier, but I was very sleepy. I still am very sleepy. But I gotta go test this bad boy and see how it holds up. So right now, I'm off to my favorite store in the whole entire world. And that is not Walmart, because that's another store all by itself. The store I speak of is my bait store. And I'll show you my bait store in a few minutes. I just need to get my mask on and heading out that way. Damn, I should have picked up that thing. The sun has been up for a while. It's 7:46 and the sun comes up at 6:30 something, I think, or 40. Alright, so I'll show you my bait store right after these commercials. Do you have a hole? Is liquid coming in and out of it? If the answer to that is yes, please call 1-800-FISHING with Christina. She'll fill it, and you never knew she was down there. And I'm talking about the kayak. If you have fluid, if you have a hole, and it's coming out, there you go. Reach out to me or watch my how-to videos on YouTube. Alright guys, I am almost at my bait store. I'm like, about to turn right now. Let me put on my blinker. And come over here and get some bait. And there we go. This is the only thing I use this store for. Bait. Everything else is like, ugh, I don't want to eat the food from here. The guy's like, oh, you really like our bait, our shrimp, huh? I'm like, no, the fish do. I go fishing. Let me park right here. This is another spot. I just hate the store. God. If you want to eat something fresh, don't come here. All right, let me go pick up my thing. My shrimp. I want to say squid. And go get it. I also need a bag of ice, just in case I catch some fish. Oh, that bird almost got ran over. Oh, it stinks in here. Oh, I'm going the opposite way. I'm gonna get 2 of these. 2 dozen. Maybe 3. Who knows? Yeah, 3. Now, here's the thing, okay? See this? It has no head, right? It should be a little more expensive than that one is, because it has a head and they look like they're like old as hell. I don't know what's up with these people. And their fish, oh my god. Like, really? That's a parrotfish. How old is that parrotfish when his eyes sunk in? The snappers look to be fresh, but not that fresh. You can see the whiteness in their eyeballs. And where's this person at, dude? The yellowtail look nice though, but they're expensive. They look nice, but if you see here, not yet, but you see a lot of flies here all the time. Oh my god. I gotta, hilarious. I'm used to buying fresh shrimp And I just asked him for 3 dozen shrimp. He goes, 3 pounds? I'm like, oh my God, yes. 3 pounds, please. That's hilarious. That's a sign that I'm sleepy. And then I need some sleep. That's good enough. Let me see how much it is. He's still missing. So let's close up and see how much of that is. He's almost there. He's missing a few. Oh, there you go. $6. $6.19. That's not bad.
15.49.
15.49. ¿Por qué decía $6 al principio?
¿Eh?
¿Por qué decía $6 al principio? No? Okay.
¿Cómo es? Eso a
Okay.
4.99 la libra.
Yeah. Okay. Gracias. I'm like 6 something. Tell you. It's 15, not 6. I'm like, that's not bad. I'm getting 3. Alright, so I'm going to go pay for this and see if I could catch one of these ones here. I wish I could catch one of these out there. Close to the coast. But unfortunately, you got to go offshore. This one? Yeah. He has to be lost. Okay, gracias. I'm like, oh, please hurry up. There's a lot of crackheads here. There is a lot of crackheads here in this neighborhood, and I just want to pay for this and get out. All right, guys. Next stop. Not yet the ocean, but I need to go get something else. But yeah, the ocean will be next. And there ain't no one here because they're talking crap. All right, guys. So far, so good. There's no water in it. There's no water in it. What there is a lot of mosquitoes out here. A lot of mosquitoes. And what did I forget? Mosquito repellent. I found the guy that had some and he gave me some mosquito repellent. So I'm like, oh my God, thank you. Alright, so let me go ahead and cover this up properly and head out there. I got my little thing, my little chair, and my little bag, and 2 rods. And I'm heading into the mangroves. There's way too many mosquitoes in here. It's beautiful. It is very beautiful, but too many mosquitoes. And I didn't bring mosquito repellent, so that's not a good idea. Alright, I'm almost out. And I'm out. My exit is right there, and I'll be exiting left. Right. I'm almost out of here. It is very beautiful. There's
Security, all stations,
sorry, that's the Coast Guard.
United States Coast Guard, Sector Command, Florida, United States Coast Guard, Sector Command, Florida, United States.
You can see the tail right over there.
Proceed marine information broadcast concerning
I don't know if you can see it.
navigation in the vicinity of
is right over that way. Right there, I think. Alright, so let me keep on casting and see if I catch something, and if I do, hey. And if I don't, hey. Actually, I'm more than hey, I'm like, yay! Because the kayak did not get water. It didn't take on water, so I did a good job. Alright, so let me go ahead and keep on fishing for a little bit, and then go home. I was asking my friend right there if he saw any fish, but he didn't answer, so I'm guessing not. Alright, so go that way, and the ramp is right there. So that's where I'm going to be going now, and bring the car around, and carrying this big heavy thing over there. Oh my god, it's going to be a mission. There's a lot of mosquitoes, but the kayak did good. It did real good. I can. God, mosquitoes everywhere. Yeah. Okay, back it up. Okay. That was awesome. Okay. Now comes the mission. Load and go get the car. Then park it right around there by the street where the bridge is at. And then load up the kayak. I need a little dolly for this kayak. Uh-oh. I got all my hooks. Alright guys, well, that's it for now. I'll show you the kayak in a few seconds, see if it got water. Okay. Mosquitoes everywhere. Oh my god. I don't know if this is locked. Alright. No water. It's dry inside, so that's awesome. I did a great job. Alright, so let me get that and most of the stuff out of here and take it with me, and then bring the car. It was a beautiful day. Awesome day. There's no water on my my kayak, so that's cool. Thank God. So now I can take this to the beach. As soon as I get those wheels for this, I could take it to the beach. Look how calm it is. But my reel got messed up when it fell in the water. I was tossing it here, and my back hurts from trying to toss it in. Reeling up, it got stuck. Okay. Great. I'm going home. Some other people are coming here. Look, he has a ginu, and this guy has a kayak right there. But he has it set up with a platform, and he has it all right. And there's my kayak, all reliable. That's cool. Have they told you anything because of the engine or no?
What's that?
They haven't told you anything because of the engine?
Oh, my friend has an electric and he pulls me. I don't use it until I get out past the sign.
Oh, okay. I'm asking you because I have one and I want to put it on my kayak, and I'm like,
Yeah, this is my first time. Usually I bring an electric too, but I didn't want to put too much weight on it. Because normally I use the electric till I get out to the sign and then I go. But I'm with a friend, so he's going to help me.
It's new, huh? A new little engine?
The engine's brand new. Yeah.
It's nice. It's aluminum? It's aluminum? The yeah. It's a nice little setup. How's he gonna pull it over that? Oh. Oh no, it got stuck. It's stuck now. Wait. Oh, you got it? I think I'll come back tomorrow, but put it in here instead of going to that other park. There's a lot of tarp in there.
What other park do you go?
I can't remember the name of the park now.
Field
What is it?
Matheson Hammock or Chapman Field?
Chapman Fields.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow, check it out. I'm gonna show you now. He said that he was catching little fish. He's like, yeah, we just caught a little one.
That's a nice one. Yeah, I'm going to try to back in there if I can.
Oh my God, that's big.
That's a keeper of a lifetime here. Yeah, man.
be here, yeah.
Yes, here you only catch these little tiny little
Yeah.
fish.
He's probably 2 pounds and
Easily. Couple of nice fillet there.
15, 16 inches.
Yeah, he's legal.
Oh, definitely legal, for sure.
They call him snapper for a reason.
Yeah.
Wow, that's big.
Got it, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah, do it.
like 50 times bigger.
That's a 16 pounder now, the last picture.
Alright.
Now, I know you're not going to catch and release, right?
No, not this.
That bird is looking at you like, here, give it to me. I'll take him.
Right.
That was a nice hit.
It's okay?
No, I didn't bring the other bucket.
Oh, he's...
The cooler here. Drink all the beer
Cooler,
that is
drink the
inside.
thing and put him in the cooler.
These rocks right here. Yeah.
It's fine.
I think he'll fit the cooler.
I don't think so. He barely. Congratulations, that's a nice fish. How long have you guys been out here for?
Hour and a half.
Oh, okay. That is awesome. That would have made my day if I would have caught something like that, but I didn't catch shit.
You didn't fish yet. You didn't
Huh?
start fishing.
No, actually, I gotta go home already. I was fishing almost all day. But it's called fishing, not catching.
Yeah, that's not a common appearance down here.
I have to see how he has it set up.
Let me run mine over. Not bad.
That's a nice battery. That's a big battery, huh? Oh, that's what I need to make.
What's that? Oh, the wheels.
Yeah, I tried to make some with PVC and it just kept on
cracked.
bending. And I'm
Yeah,
like,
it bends. I did the same thing. The first time I made it with PVC, I realized the wood is better. This was kind of makeshift. I want to get proper pieces of wood and make it, but it's been working pretty good.
that's what I need because that kayak is very heavy.
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah, this one is pretty, well, it wasn't heavy until I did this. Then it got real heavy.
And that's where you put your chair?
Yeah,
Cool.
it's a swivel seat actually. This was one of the main reasons I bought it off of Facebook. I saw it's kind of rusty. I need to change that. I haven't used it in a while.
See, I wouldn't have any idea on how to make the chair. I mean, not the chair, but that out of wood.
It's not bad.
No,
They
that.
sell the swivel part. It's about $8.
At Walmart?
Yeah.
I think I saw it there. I saw the
But
chair
the
in that.
chair is a little bit expensive.
I think it was $39 or
Yeah.
40 something dollars.
Yeah, for the chair itself. And as far as the platform you put the mount on, you can make that yourself. You don't have to get this. It just came with the kayak, stainless steel, like.
Right.
But honestly, 2 pieces of pressurized, the good wood for water would work fine.
Yeah, somebody's selling some and they're aluminum, and it's like $90 they want for them, and it
Yeah,
goes for
The
$100.
aluminum. Yeah.
But it has the beach tires. I don't care that
Yeah.
much about the beach tires. I just want something to pull that heavy thing.
If you take it on the sand, the beach tires, like this won't go in the sand. Not the soft sand.
Right.
But yeah, those big fat beach tires they're good. But it's expensive.
How much would you charge to make one of those for that
Like
kayak? Uh huh.
Oh, if you get the stuff to make it, I'll make it for you. I won't charge you.
Oh my god, that would be awesome.
It's not hard. I could do one similar. The most expensive part is the tires.
Oh no, I got some tires already, and I got the bar.
Oh, yeah? And the axle?
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah, that should be easy.
And I'm always getting scrap wood from Home Depot. What do you do now? Latch it on?
Yeah, with like just a strap. You live in this area?
Yeah.
If you'd like, yeah, I can make it for you.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Yeah. I made this one that it can come apart. That you can take it apart
Uh-huh.
and bring it on the kayak if you need to.
Yeah,
Like,
I made
say,
another one for my other kayak, and it was good. Until somebody decided to sit on it where they had the tires on there, and they just snapped.
Oh, and that was it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, oh no, that's not what that's for. Hey guys, well, I'm home already. The trip was a success, and not because I caught a lot of fish. It was a success because I'm back home, I'm dry, and the kayak never got water inside of it, so there you go. I did a great job. I met that guy, and he said he could make a little trailer for me or a little dolly for the kayak. He told me that he also made that out of PVC, and it didn't work. So if I don't go out tomorrow in the kayak, because I don't know, my arms are like, they weigh a ton right now. If I don't go out, then I'll call him up and see what are the materials that he needs so he can make it for me. Because that kayak is very heavy. Once I get it on the floor, it's like I can't carry it. So I need something to pull it with. He told me, do you have the most expensive thing are the tires? I'm like, I got them. I also got the threaded rod with the nuts. So that'll be pretty cool. Alright guys. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm a little tired. A little sleepy. A little hungry. I want to go get some pork chops. Alright guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing if you haven't. Press that red button wherever. I think it should be here or maybe here. I don't know. You tell me. Is it here? I think it's right here. Click that little bastard like he owes you money. Just share the video if you like. Leave a comment. And have a great day. Thank you for watching my video.